Friends, today we are going to learn about 2.2 very interesting story, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. Before we going to discuss about the story, we are going to discuss warming up activities and some chit chat activities. Here are given some warming up activities. First of all, here given a quote. That quote is, a lie can run round the world before the truth has got its boots on. This is very famous quote. And the meaning of this quote is, lie is spread than truth. That means in Marathi, सत्य चप्पल पायात घालून बाहेर येईपर्यंत असत्य पूर्ण जगभर फिरणारेला असतं. Generally, everyone, you students, experience that quote. Next, recent rumor, believed first, later suffer. We generally hear many rumors, and one of the rumor which you believed first and later someone suffer from that. You discuss this point with your friends. If you are away from your friends, you may discuss it in your family members also. You have watched many news and you try to find one of the rumor about recent news, very popular news about the coronavirus. You may discuss one of the rumor which spread. You first believed it and later you suffer from it. Next, one of the news you may discuss with your friends or your family members. One of the news, is it fact or fake? How do you know about that news? Is it a fact or is it a fake? Nowadays, everyone contact with various social medias like WhatsApp, chit chat, Twitter. So we hear many news, and some news are fake and some news in fact. How do we find, is it a fact or is it a fake? In the beginning, every news we don't believe it is a true. We find a way how it is a true, or going to discuss about that news, is it a fake? Next point, how news spreading news. Some news spread rapidly, and false or lie news, generally false or lie news spread rapidly. And who spread this news rapidly? Generally, some loafer, some mischief maker spread that news rapidly to find some financial gain. They want some finance from some of the news, so they spread that news rapidly in a society. And now, last point, rumor example. You may give or you may discuss one of the recent example of that rumor. Some days before, we heard a news about coronavirus. Some people discuss about or that news spread rapidly with social media. Some people tell about that coronavirus can recover soon when we use sanitizer or alcohol. Alcohol may recover that coronavirus. So some people from various countries drank that sanitizer directly and they suffer from it. Some people went away, passed away because of that rumor. So we very careful about any rumor or about any news. Now, second chit chat activity is given in your book. In that activity, there are given several points, and those points are a fact, rumor, and give it explanation. Here are those points. First point is cow gives birth to a calf. Is it a fact or rumor? It is a rumor. Fact. Why it is a fact? Because this is a natural process. Cow gives birth to a calf is a natural process. So it is a fact. Next, in 2025, sun will swallow the earth. Is it a fact or rumor? It is a rumor. Why it is rumor? There is no any evidence, scientific evidence for that point. Next point, you got 5 crore lottery ticket. It is a fact or rumor? It is also rumor because it has no any proper evidence, no any proper channel. Next, bees heartbeat 270 times in a second. Yes, it is a fact or rumor? It is a fact. Why it is fact? What is the explanation for this? The many scientists or scientifically proved, scientifically observed, bees heartbeat can 270 times in a second. Next point, Bermuda Triangle swallow some ships and aeroplanes. It is a fact or rumor? It is also a fact. Why it is fact? It is discovered by scientifically. It happened in a Bermuda Triangle in an ocean. Next, driverless car is upcoming dream. Is it fact or rumor? It is also a fact. Why it is fact? Nowadays, it is tested and trialed in Japan, and within some days, it will happen in our country too. Next point, Sophia is the first robot citizen. It is a fact or rumor? It is fact. Why it is fact? Sophia, name given to the robot, female robot. It is look like female, and your name Sophia. And Saudi Arabia given a citizenship, नागरिकत्व. सौदी अरेबियानं सोफिया या रोबोटला त्या देशाचं नागरिकत्व, given citizenship to the Sophia robot. So it is fact. Next one, ghost well in banyan tree. It is fact or rumor? It is rumor. Why it is rumor? It is not proved. There is a ghost in around us because it is man-made thing. Next point, do not step out in new moon day. It is also a rumor. Why it is rumor? It is a superstition. What is the meaning of that sentence in Marathi? चंद्रग्रहणा दिवशी बाहेर फिरू नये किंवा चालू नये असं म्हणतात. So it is superstition. So it is not a fact, it is a rumor. And last point, aliens can conquer the earth. Aliens will conquer the earth. It is also rumor. Why it is rumor? It is not scientifically proved. No, it is science proved that there are aliens in around us. So those are the warming up or chit chat activities. We will discuss about the story in our upcoming video. Thank you.